Hey guys, how you doing today? Hope you are enjoying your day and all of that. Today I'll be discussing briefly on common questions that have been asked so far when it comes to making the right investment. I have clients I've met so far that one of their major questions has always been, how do I know the best investment to make? How do I know how do I know I'm making the right investment? How do I know this particular investment I'm about to make is going to benefit me in the nearest future? People, let me just say people, when you want to invest in a business, the understanding of investment is you put in some particular capital and wait for a return. Now, you have different kind of people. You have some that are expecting a quick return like this. You have the other kind of people that are expecting that or understand that for you to have a better return, you need to give it some little time for it to properly, grow. Now, let's bring it down to properties. Now, you're making an investment in property. You're looking at having an appreciation rate of that is quite high over a specific period of time. So the question is, you want to know that this particular investment you're about to make now, how sure are you that that particular property is going to appreciate within a particular period of time? So I'll give you guys just one tip for today. One tip, because there are several ways of knowing. But in the last video I uploaded, I spoke about valuation, about how to understand land valuation and how to know, ways of understanding the value of a property. Now, also, when you're about to make your investment, it's always good to know the value of the land. One, also, so it's also very important to know the tendencies of that land's value increasing during a particular period of time. In essence of doing all of that, you'll be able to make an inference that yes, this property I'm buying now, let's say for example, I'm buying a property for 1 million naira in the year 2023. You want to know how much would that land have appreciated in the year 2025? That's 2 years from now. These are basic things you need to take note of in order to know if the land has a high tendency of appreciating. One, look at the value of the property. You also look at the aesthetics, look at the area, you put it together, looking at the landmarks around there, looking at the development that's taking place there. How fast is the place developing? What's the landmark like? Now, one of the things that people really don't pay attention much is the populational growth of that area. I also mentioned in my last video, when the particular place is suddenly increasing in population, it means that the request and the requirement for the demand for properties is going to also increase. So you want to know what's the value of land going to look like in a couple of time in that place. Look at the population. The populational growth skyrocketing. If yes, take note, that particular property is about to increase in price because the demand for land there is going to increase. The demand for place for people to live and place for people to do their business, which is the commercial aspect, is going to increase. And once the demand is increasing, the price for this property is also going to increase. My brother, my sister, my dad is out there. If you want to make an investment, you want to be able to say, okay, you want to be able to predict that what's the tendency of this land appreciating in a short period of time. Pay attention to these little details. What's populational growth like? What are developments like? What are landmarks around the property looking like? Once you can actually take note of these major things, now I can assure you that investment you're about to make, calm down, go ahead and make it. Go ahead and make it. Like people say, you take a risk today to enjoy tomorrow. Go ahead and take that risk. You're not making a wrong one. As long as you've taken note of these little details, then trust me, that land you're about to invest in has a very high tendency of appreciating within a short period of time. So you can I also appreciate if you guys can like down, click on the subscribe button, subscribe for more simple things like this. The whole thing that we're trying to do here is to make real estate as real as possible. I'm bringing it to your table to make it all clear down to the barest minimum as possible. So thank you for your time today. Do want to subscribe and I'll catch you guys next time. Have a beautiful one.